Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2021 Kawasaki KLX140RL. This youth trail bike just arrived, barely used. I mean, it's like in showroom condition. Priced to sell quickly at just $30.49. It's got the Achirvis handguards, bark busters. Come on by and make your youth four-stroke dirt bike dreams come true. This awesome electric start KLX140RL. It's got the disc brakes, adjustable rear suspension damping. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful clean used bikes in stock. Thank you from Contra Costa Powersports.